Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these days you'd like to do some math. Well, let's do it. I wonder if I could do a whole video singing like that. I probably could not. Alright, so we're going to do 7.5. I'm just going to let you know right off the bat. This homework is relatively short, but it is going to be difficult because it's all word problems. And word problems tend to scare people. So hopefully these problems here can kind of give you an idea of the thinking that we're expecting from you, and can help guide you when you're doing that. So first question, what is the perimeter of a triangle ABC in terms of S? So basic perimeter means all the sides put together, right? So we want to know all these sides. So we have an S plus an S. I know this says 10 centimeters, so I'm just going to write 10. S plus 10. Well, S plus S is 2S plus 10, and it's in centimeters. So that's all it's asking for in terms of this. So your questions might ask different shapes or whatnot, but that's all this is asking. The perimeter of a trapezoid is 7 centimeters shorter than the perimeter of the triangle. We know the perimeter of the triangle is right here, and we just want to go 7 meters shorter. So we got this trapezoid, and its perimeter is 7 meters short, or 7 centimeters shorter. So 2S, oh, that's an S. 2S plus 10, and it's shorter, so we're going to take away 7. Well, 2S stays. 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is the perimeter of the trapezoid. And that's pretty simple. Nothing too tough yet. This should be an F. If S is equal to 7, find the perimeter of the triangle. And that's the triangle ABC that we used in the first one. So we can do this two ways. One, remember the triangle is just S, S, 10. So if S is 7, this is the same thing as 7, 7, 10. Just add them all up. 7, 7 is 14, plus 10 is 24. Alternatively, you just have to evaluate. So you remember it was 2S plus 10, right? So if we want to say S is equal to 7, so we just change this S to 7. 2 times 7 plus 10. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 10. The perimeter of triangle ABC is 24 centimeters. All right, one down, two more. This has the potential to be the most difficult problem on your homework, especially if I don't do a good job explaining. So listen up, friends, and I'm going to do my best. So a car uses 1 gallon of gas every 25 miles traveled. Okay, so 1 gallon is equal to 25 miles. Basically, this car is getting 25 miles per gallon. How far can the car travel on W gallons of gas? How far can the car travel on W gallons of gas? So basically, we want to know W gallons. And there's two ways to do this. We can either go from here to here, or we can actually think about going this way. So I'm going to do both. And first what I'm going to think about is how on earth can we go from here to here? So to go from here to here, we would say, well, this is 1, and we are always multiplying. What times 1 is equal to W? Well, the answer to that is W. So to go from here to here, we have to multiply by W. So let's go from here to here by multiplying by W. And this should look relatively familiar to us from our rates and ratios chapter. So W times 25. So this will be 25 W miles. And the way to think about that is 1 gallon is 25 miles. So an unknown amount of miles, or gallons, or I'll just say gallons. An unknown amount of gallons would get me 25 times that same unknown amount of miles, and so basically we're just multiplying both by W. Another way to write that is we say 1 gallon is equal to 25 miles. And we want to know W gallons. So how did we go from here to here? Well, 1 times 25 is 25. So I need to just multiply W times 25. 25 W miles. And you come to the same outcome, which is 25 W miles. It's just one may be easier than the other, and I'll do that again down here. So how much gas is used if the car travels 5 W miles? So gas, well, let's start out by writing our original ratio. 1 gallon is equal to 25 miles. And 5 W, he's going to travel 5 W miles. So the 5 W miles, the miles go right here. So this is the 5 W. So we have to think, we can think about how to go from here to here, because we're looking for this blank right here, or we can think about how to go from here to here. Either way will work the same. I'll do down first, then I'll go over. So to go down, I say what can I multiply 25 by to get 5W? Well, first off, there's a new W here, so I know for at least I'm going to multiply by a W. But the number got smaller, so the only way to multiply and make a number smaller is to divide. So 25 divided by what is 5? It's 5. Well, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we say we multiply by W to get this W here, and then we divide 25 by 5 to get the 5. So we're multiplying by W times 5, or W divided by 5. To go from here to here, we would multiply again, or divide. I guess we could divide. 25 divided by 25 is 1. What I'm saying is 25 over 25 is 1. So to go from here to here, we would say 25 divided by 25. So I'm actually going to divide by 25. So to go from here to here, I can divide by 25, which both will get the same answer. 1 times W over 5 is equal to W over 5. 5W divided by 25 doesn't look the same as this, but they are equal. Notice 5 and 25 can simplify. 5 goes into 5, it'd be 1, and 5 goes into 25 5 times. So it's the same thing. Either way, whichever one made more sense, please just stick with that one, and hopefully it can help. And then we want to evaluate the expression for W is equal to 72. So we take W for gallons, W over 5, and we're going to substitute W with 72. So I got to divide 72 by 5. So 5, well, let's say 50 is 10 times. Subtract that, I get 22. I know that 4 times 5 is 20, and I have 2 left over. So this is the same thing as 14. I am so sorry about that noise. I just worked through it on one of my other videos, and I didn't even notice it. But that means lunch is here. I'm going to do one more video really quick, and then I'm going to go eat some lunch. Gillian thinks of a number y. So I'm going to say Gillian is equal to y. She multiplies the number, by 3. So step 1, and does some other stuff, but I know she multiplies it by 3, so I'm just going to say 3 times y. Step 2, and then subtracts 9 from the product. Now this is a product, so she's going to subtract 9 from that. So 3y minus 9. What is her answer? Well, that's her answer. I don't know. Pretty simple. And evaluate the expression for y is equal to 12. So we say 3 times 12. Sorry. 3 times 12 minus 9. So 3 times 12 is 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9 is 27. Math! I like saying that more than yay. Math!